Okay, people, welcome back again to another episode of Wealth Building Financial Corner. Alright, so what I want to talk about today in another video here. I like the unity in a dancer. Alright, it could bring to me, on a financial point of view, it could bring a lot of profit in a dancer. I mean, from unity. Unity is strength. Say Vybz Kartel and Mavado come together as one on one stage, and perform. And now, I think if you guys can tell me if I'm wrong, I think they are doing a Gaza and Gully tour. I mean, if they are doing that, then that is great. Which other dancehall artists can come together and do it? Would I like to see more of these younger generation come together and do that? That will bring more into the business, more revenue growth, bigger venues, Let me throw this out there. No one might bash me in a comment. What if Alkaline and Popcorn come together and decide to do this? And let's throw Massacre in the mix. You see me? That would be a major concert. Big thing. But who am I? I'm just saying, I would like to see unity. Now, people out there who disagree with me, you guys could comment. Leave me a comment whether I'm wrong or I'm right. But, it's just my thought. I'm just thinking based off of what Vybz Kartel and Mavado do. You're looking at that from a financial point of view. That could be big deal for dancer. Unity is strength. So I mean, if more dancehall artists can do that, that would be great. Even more collab too, So promoters, managers, influencers, people who speak to these people, advisors, people who give them advice, a time for we leave the crab in a barrel mentality and unite and do something great, for once. Maybe it could be change, could be a good change for the business, I'm just saying though. But enough of that. Alright, let's dive into something else, Let's enough of that. Alright, so what I need to say on that. I mean, for those who want to comment on that, I already know. Drop me a comment, comment on it. Let me know what you think, about that. Alright, let's move on. Now, alright, for those who out there who have a business and a struggle, especially what in no matter what business you're in, no matter what field you do, if you're out there your business slow, tell yourself say your business slow. Business slow because you're not adapt the KFC method. KFC method is always a promote. Always promote. Now, let's look country. Let's look at Jamaica. Jamaica, a lot of people would say KFC is the best chicken a yard. Me would have said jerk chicken are the best chicken a yard. The most healthiest chicken a yard is jerk chicken. Now, but if you look at KFC line on a Friday evening, I long this line. Not because jerk chicken is not good. It's because the jerk man not promote the way KFC promote. Now, if the jerk man take the same method and start promoting the jerk pan like KFC, what do you think would have happened? You would have the same line. So even though KFC is already a big establishment, they promote a lot, adapt the method, do the same thing. So for those who out there with their small business think they're struggling, is because nobody know where you are. Nobody know that you exist. Now start to exist by promoting your business.